Hi, welcome to Bambling, and you're going to be learning greetings in Bamba. So, let's get going. Hello, hi,
Mulishani,
welcome,
Mwaiseni,
welcome as with respect.
Mwaiseni Mkwai,
I am fine, thanks. How are you? With respect.
Ndifye bwino, Ngaimwe, Mulishani,
Good morning,
Mwashibukeni,
good afternoon,
Chunguro Mkwai,
good evening.
Chunguro Mkwai,
Now, notice that these two words are said the same. Good afternoon and good evening, but nonetheless, you can still use them. Good night and bye.
Sendameni po Mkwai,
Goodbye.
Shaleni po,
Stay in peace.
Mushale Umutende,
Have a nice day or have a nice resting day.
Mutushe bwino,
Work well.
Mubombe bwino,
See you later.
Tukamwana limbi.
Thank you for going through lesson 1 and hopefully you will tag along even to the other lessons.